Hey guys, welcome to our channel Knowledge World. We all have this problem, that is, just after studying we remember what we studied, but after some time we forget. We all face this problem every time and we forget what we have studied, and whatever we remember is jumbled in our mind, and hence it becomes difficult to remember it and write it in the exam. Guys, this happens because we are not studying properly or efficiently. Although we are studying, we are not studying in the right way. So you all might be thinking, how can I get rid of this problem and have a good memory and remember everything properly? So guys, in this video I'll be giving you some tips on how can you remember things more efficiently while studying. So guys, before we begin, subscribe to our channel Knowledge World and switch on the bell notification button so that you don't miss any new updates of our new upcoming videos. So guys, let's begin. First tip, never sit on a bed and study. Guys, the bed is the place where you sleep and your body is adjusted to it. That's why when you lie on the bed at night, you fall asleep. Since your body is adapted to it, whenever you sit on the bed to study, you will not be able to focus properly, and if you lie down and study, there are more chances that you will not be able to concentrate and you might fall asleep. So I suggest you never sit on a bed and study. Second tip, study on a study table and be organized. So if you should not sit on a bed and study, where should we sit? Guys, it is better to sit on a study table and study, and also you have to be organized. Guys, do you like to study in a messy and unorganized place, or do you like to study in a neat and tidy place? A neat and tidy place, right? So before you start studying, clear up the place where you are sitting and studying, be organized and keep only necessary things with you so that you don't feel irritated while you are studying. This will help you to be motivated and you won't feel irritated while you are sitting to study. Third tip, write a summary of what you have studied and underline the important points. Guys, we mostly study orally, but we do not write down what we have studied. By this, we are able to remember only 80% of the things efficiently, but it is difficult to write these things in the written exams. Guys, oral studies will only help us during Viva or oral exams because there we are only giving the information orally. But during written exams, if we do not write and practice, it becomes difficult for our brain to remember what we have studied and write it. So, if we do not write and practice, it becomes difficult for us to remember it during exams, hence we take more time, so we are wasting our time in the exams. So by writing and practicing what we have studied during written exams, we'll remember it more easily and efficiently. So whenever you study, write a summary of what you have studied in your own words so that during exams, when you're revising the topic, you just have to study what you have written. So you will be able to remember it more easily because you have written it. So by writing things down, you're able to remember the information studied more faster, and also by this you are able to retain the information you have studied more faster while writing in the exams. So there are a lot of benefits of writing down and practicing what you have studied. Guys, and also underline the important points in your textbooks so that during exams you can study only the important points and you don't have to keep searching for the important points you have to study. Fourth tip, remember your answers in points, not in paragraphs, and prioritize. Guys, whenever we see answers in big paragraphs, we get terrified, but we don't have to worry. Remember the answers in points. First, you just have to read the paragraph and then mark the necessary points in it. After that, write down those necessary points, especially write it down in points so that you don't get terrified. When you see big paragraphs, you get terrified, but then if you write it down as points, you feel it is easy. So it will be easier for you to remember those answers in points because you feel it is easy. Fifth tip, keep distractive gadgets away from you. Guys, TV, mobile phones, laptops, etc. always distract you from your studies. They do not allow you to concentrate on your studies, and if you keep those gadgets near you, you will surely have a tendency to use them and stop studying. So I suggest you to keep your electronic gadgets away from you which will distract you. Either give it to your parents or keep it in another room. Sixth tip, take short breaks when necessary. Guys, if you study for a long time without a break, you will surely strain your brain and it will become difficult to study because you feel irritated. So I suggest you to take short breaks in between whenever you feel necessary or you feel bored so that you don't get irritated. In that break, you can drink water, check your mobile phone, go for a walk, refresh yourself by doing anything whichever you like, and then come back to study. So by this, your mind will be happy and relaxed and you'll be able to study more properly. Seventh tip, understand what you're studying. Guys, when you're studying, if you by heart the things from the textbook, there are more chances that you can forget it. But if you understand what you're studying, that time there are less chances that you forget. And even if during the exams you are not able to remember the points properly, if you know the logic, you can write the answer in your own words. But guys, only in science subjects it is necessary to by heart the keywords. But if you know the logic, it won't be difficult for you to by heart the keywords also. So guys, if you understand what you're studying, that time you will be able to remember the points more easily. You can frame your answer in your own words, and hence there are more chances that you can get more marks. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you found the video informative. If you like this video, then give a like to this video. Share this video with your friends so that it benefits them. Subscribe to our channel Knowledge World and switch on the bell notification button so that you don't miss any new updates.